Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a get ready with me video, and I'm also using a couple of new products. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm using, and we're just gonna chit chat today. So if you guys like videos like this, give me a thumbs up and let's get into it. I already placed on my foundation and my brows, as you can tell. Do you guys like my hairpin? I created myself with some hot glue and some crystals I got from Michael's. I think it was Michael. And if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. But today I want to do this makeup look that Amanda Ensing did, and actually I think Nikki Tutorials did too, with it's kind of like a red eye look, and I thought it was really cute. So let's see, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette right here. This is the 35V palette, Stunning Vibes. We're gonna take this brown color to create our transition before we go in with the red. I'm gonna put some powder on my lids first to set my lids, because I don't think I set it yet. So this is just a regular white, off-white color that I'm putting on my crease. Cute. Can you guys believe that it's already the end of August? And next thing you know, we're gonna have to be getting ready for Halloween, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna create for this year's Halloween video. So if you guys have some ideas, if there's something that you want to see, let me know. I don't know the theme this year. I think the Joker, the movie, is coming out a little bit before Halloween, so maybe we can do like a Joker, but I feel like Joker's played out. They're way overrated. I feel like this is the 5th Joker movie in the past, I don't know, like 5 years. So one Joker movie each year. I don't know. What do you guys want to see this Halloween? I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna create yet. So I'm going in with that brown color, tannish color in the crease, to make sure that our red is going to be popping. Now I'm going to leave the lid open for a different shimmery color. Yeah, it's like my red shirt with my red theme. Oh, you know what? I think for my next video I'll do a Forever 21 haul, because I know they're having a sale right now. And I want to grab some stuff before that sale's over. I think they're doing like a 70% sale off of everything. It might be too late though. I feel like it's over by now. Now I'm going to take this red color right here and place that in the crease as well. Before I put this red on, I'm going to put a little bit of powder right here, because just in case there's fallout, that's not going to be fun to clean up. It'll ruin the whole look. Okay, now that we got some powder down. So I got a little bit of red right here. I'm going to go right in here in the crease. Oh my god, you guys know what? I was trying to do a Popeyes chicken sandwich versus Chick-fil-A sandwich video for you guys, but tell me how I went to 3 different Popeyes and they were all sold out. It doesn't even make sense. And then I messaged one of my friends, because one of my friends were trying to figure out how to get their hands on a chicken sandwich too. Oh, mind you, I went last week as well, and the line was too long, so I'm guessing they did have chicken sandwiches then, but I didn't, I wasn't about it. If you ain't about it, don't be about it. So I wasn't about it. I wasn't going to wait in line for a Popeyes chicken sandwich. And this week they're all out. Completely out. How insane is that though? To be out of a chicken sandwich. So anyways, I messaged my friend, and she saw on CNBC News that every single Popeyes sold out of their chicken sandwiches. So there's that. There goes that video. But once I can get my hands on those, I definitely will do a video so you guys can see my reaction. Might get my brother to do it with me too or something. I don't know if this is red enough. So there was this meme I saw about, so you guys know how that in front of fast food places they have like a little sign that shows a special sometimes, or like happy holidays or something, where you know the workers can adjust whatever signage their manager wants them to put on. And there was this one by Chick-fil-A. It says, "We never run out of chicken sandwiches. Order a chicken sandwich from us right now." It was so stupid. It's so petty. It's so petty for these like fast food restaurants, but it is entertaining though. Not gonna lie, although it is petty, it is entertaining. Oh my god, I have work tomorrow. I hope this is not gonna stain my eyeball. How fun would that be? People are like, "Gina, what happened to your eye?" I'm like, "Oh, it just got infected." Or whatever. So what's new, guys? What's poppin'? What's the new big deal? Did you guys like the VMAs? I didn't even watch the VMAs, but I got like the inside scoop on it. Didn't even watch it. I did watch Normani's performance on YouTube. I'm going to take a little bit of this purple right here and place it in the outer crease. That's pretty. Oh yeah. What is this? What are we going to name this look? You guys ever breathe, but your nose is like, it sounds a little weird, and then you think there's like a cat or something around you? That's what my nose is doing right now, but you guys can't hear it. It sounds like a little squeak. Okay, I think I'm gonna get a more dense brush to get in between that eyeball, and let me go ahead and brush this away. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna take a dense brush. This one's a little bit more dense. Go with that purple again, and I'm gonna pack it on in the crease this time. I've been dying to use some of these makeup products that my friend got me, but I just haven't had the chance to experiment with some of these, but this is why we're creating this video, so we can experiment a little bit. I hate that there's so much fallout. I'm gonna take my Marc Jacobs palette. I don't know what palette this is, and we're just gonna take the color Just Stay right here. This is like a dark purple. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take that and place it in the crease as well with the same brush we used a second ago. Oh, also guys, this is a new palette. I've never used this. My friend got this for me for my birthday, and on first impressions, it's very powdery. Let's see. I just dipped into that, and you guys can see how much fallout there is right there. Super, super powdery. So, just gonna take it and put it in that corner. Bam. So back in our Morphe palette, I'm going to take this color right here, placing that in the center of my lid. And this one, I'm going to use my fingers because I feel like this is gonna pack it on a little bit more than my brush would. Yes. And then once I get around the crease, I'll probably try to go in with a brush, but I guess we'll see. I'm gonna try this new, well, I don't know if it's new. It's Kat Von D's long wear high pigment tattoo liner. It's waterproof. Oh shoot, it's waterproof. So I got this from Sephora in June, and I just haven't had the time to use it. It comes with a tattoo liner and a sample of her lip colors or whatever, and then a transparent powder? Setting powder. Pretty. This is the tattoo liner, and it's waterproof, so let me not fuck up. Okay, so I'll just try a little bit first on camera, and I'm gonna start right here. Ooh, that's sharp. Okay, so this is what I like to do. I do one eye, and I like to switch it to the other eye. Oh my gosh. I feel like these type of liners dry out really fast. That's why I always get the ones that it's a separate brush. I just feel like, wow, this is actually really good. Holy shit. Let's see how long it takes for the brush to actually dry out. I've always had the worst lucks with these. The worst. I just feel like it dries out so fast, and I feel like you're wasting money buying high-end makeup and it doesn't last that long. But this one's actually working really good, guys. Look how pointy it is. It's so good. Oh my god, I was not expecting that. Sis. Wow, I'm shook. Guys, tattoo liner by Kat Von D, 5 stars. Maybe this is the new one I'll switch over since NYC is not selling their liquid liner anymore, which is poo, but whatever. Okay, so I got my lashes on. They're drying right now, so you'll still see some white specks. My friend also gave me this new Fenty Beauty highlighter that I haven't used. There's one that's called Me Money, and then Hustler Baby. Let's see. So this one is Hustler Baby, and this one is Mean Money. They look like a very light peachy highlight, so I'm gonna take some of that. Let's see. I'll take some Hustler Baby because this one looks a little bit more shiny. Placing in the, ooh, that's actually really pretty. I like her golden one too, Rihanna's Fenty gold color that she came out with. It's a little bit yellow for me, but I get a ton of compliments when I wear it. So, I guess it's cute. So this one's pretty. This actually reminds me of Champagne Pop a little bit. Put it right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Thanks, Angela, for this highlight. This is so cute. What do you guys think? I've only used a couple. I don't think I have that many products in her Fenty line because, as you guys know, the Fenty foundation didn't work out for me, which I'm really bummed about because I really wanted to use one of her foundations since she has so many shades, but none of those shades actually work for me because my skin is just too yellow. Poop. But it is what it is, so there's that. I'm going to contour my face a little bit more. And what I'm going to use, this is by Marc Jacobs. This is called Tantric. It's a very nice bronzy color. It's matte, and I feel like it goes pretty well with my cool tone skin. And it doesn't have that much fallout, which is good. And you guys know I normally use my Hoola. I'm obsessed with Hoola. Oh, you know what? I was also thinking about using the Hoola, the light Hoola or whatever, because that one looks like it'll bronze pretty well too, and I can be a little bit more heavy-handed with that one without making that many mistakes. You guys know what I should do? Would you guys watch prank videos? I love prank videos. Would you guys watch that? Like, how my boyfriend, how my best friend, or my brother reacts to like bad makeup, or I don't know. I've seen some of those and I find it pretty entertaining to watch, so maybe I should do one of those. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, you guys know I can't go without lining my lips first, so let's do that. First and foremost, this is Candy K lip liner. I don't know about you guys, but all of my Kylie matte lipsticks are drying the f out. Like the original ones that I have, they're all drying out, which is poop because I spent a lot of money on those. And then some I got as a gift, but still, it's kind of poop when you spend a lot of money on stuff and they start drying out. I don't know. I haven't bought any of her new formulated. I don't know if it's new formula, but I haven't bought any of her new stuff. So let me know what you guys think about her new lipsticks now, because after having all that lipstick dry out on me, I don't really want to purchase it again. Okay, so how about we go in with Really Gloss by Kris Jenner with Kylie Jenner's line. I guess this is like, ooh, this is actually nude enough, yeah. Oh, one more thing before you guys go. I have this Flash Photo Gloss by Estee Lauder. I don't know if you guys seen this, but I don't know how I got my hands on this. Somebody gave me this. So I think this is supposed to make, honestly, I don't even know what flash photo means. It says 01 flash, white flash. This is a gloss. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on and just try it just so you guys can see. And I want to see what the fuck this is even talking about. There's no smell to this gloss, so. Oh, it comes off like, it comes off blue. It's so weird. Oh, that's a nice gloss though. So I'm guessing it's something for flash photography. So that's what it looks like. Let's try it. I don't know, I can't really tell a difference. It just looks blue. I don't know, it looks... Am I crazy? Doesn't it just look blue? I mean, there's... I don't really see it. So that too is a flop. Anyways, that is all for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.